Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the backlight brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, like this. Find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, tap on general settings, then scroll down and find the option called backlight brightness. Tap on it, and here we can adjust the backlight brightness by swiping up and down on the screen to select the level of brightness, and we have low, medium and high. Select the one you like and then tap on it to apply it. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the backlight brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.